Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to science class of grade 2. We have completed 3 blocks already. I hope you did all the works. And today we are going to start our new block. I mean 4th block we are going to start today. The name of our new block is Beautiful Birds. Read all of you the heading Beautiful Birds. Like the heading, the 2 lessons which we are going to discuss is also very beautiful. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, then today's our aim is to identify the features of common birds. What is our aim? Identify the features of common birds. Before entering into this lesson, I want to ask you one thing. Try to answer. Okay. Students, I love an animal. I love an animal which has 2 wings, 2 legs and a beak, and it is black in color. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Wow, how fast are you? How could you understand it is a crow? Yes, good. From the features itself we can understand that it is a crow. I told you, it has 2 wings, 2 legs and a beak. Okay. Then children, now you have to open the workbook. We have to identify a bird among the pictures. I will show you. 4 pictures are given there. The question is to circle the picture of a bird. Okay. Butterfly is there, rabbit is there, and a quail is there, and mosquito is also there. Which is bird among this? Yes? Yeah, majority says that the third one is a bird. Who told you that the third one is a bird? How could you understand that it is a bird? Yeah, very good. Tell me. Yes, the third one has wings to fly and it has a beak also. But I won't agree. I won't agree with you. Why can't mosquito be a bird? Why can't mosquito be a bird? Yes. Oh, very good. He is telling that mosquito is an insect. Very good. Give a clap for him. Well done. Okay. He is telling that mosquito is an insect. I am very happy, children, because you could recollect all the things you learned from class 1. Very good. Okay. Good, children. Okay. Let's come to our lesson, children. Now we have to, what we have to do? We have to identify the features of a bird. What we have to do? We are going to identify the features of a bird. You may know it already, but in detail we are going to study about that. Ready? To learn the features of birds in detail, I have drawn one picture for you. I know that you can draw better than me. If mine is not beautiful, forgive me. Okay. Yes, I have labeled all the parts here. This is crown, spelling C-R-O-W-N, crown. What is this? Crown. Then this you may know already. Which part is this, children? B-E-A-K, beak. Read it. Beak. Then this feather, F-E-A-T-H-E-R. Then these are the claws of this bird. C-L-A-W-S, claws of the bird. Then this one you know already, T-A-I-L, tail. Then these are the wings of this bird. Wings help them to, yes, fly. Very good. Then these are the features of this of a bird. Then the features remain same for all the birds. So what we learned from today's class, the features remains same for all the birds. Yes, look at the 2 pictures of the birds. Look at these pictures. What is different? Yes, features are all remaining same for both of these birds. Both parrot and eagle has the same features. But what is different? What is different? Yes, their size is different. Size of their body parts are different. From the picture itself we can understand that, right? Yes. Size of the body parts means the size of legs, beaks and wings are all different. But both of them have wings to fly, yes, legs to walk, beaks to pick up the food, and everything same. But what is different? Size is different, size of the body parts are different, food they eat are also different, and color is also different. Okay, you understood, no? Yes, you understood everything. Now we have to complete our workbook. I will help you. Okay, take the workbook, all of you. First question we did already. Then now we are moving to the next question. You can see the photo of the workbook in the video. The second question, try to read, all of you. Are you able to read the question? Try to read. Yes, what you are reading, madam can hear. If mistakes are there, no problem, I will correct. Okay, no problem, try to read. Okay, now madam will read for you. Listen carefully, all of you. Yes, an ostrich and duck are birds. We know that both of them are birds. How are they different? Yes, how are they different? How are they different? I told you just before I told you, no? Yes, the same answer you have to write in sentence. If there is mistakes, don't worry about the mistakes. Okay, you send to me, madam will correct. Then the next question, how is the bird different from other birds? Look at the picture of this bird. It is a penguin. How penguin is different? We learned from class 1 itself. What makes a penguin different from other birds? Yes, he is telling. Very good, very good. Yes, penguin can't fly. Can it fly? But it has wings. Why can't it fly? Yeah, they are using their wings to swim in the water. So you understood, no? Children, now we completed S1. Now we are moving to the next lesson. The lesson's name is What Do Birds Eat? Today what you have to do is, you have to go outside and just observe what the birds are eating and what food are they eating. Now you can see the pictures of some birds having their food. Yes, some birds are having their food. You can see the pictures now. What are they eating? What are the birds eating? Yes, I am going to write it on the board. Food of birds. They are having, some are having fruits and nuts. Yes, some are having grains. Yes, some birds are eating insects. Next, some birds are eating fish also. Very good, fish. Children, have you observed the beaks of birds? Is it same for all the birds? Do all the birds have same kinds of beaks? No, their beaks are entirely different from each other. Actually, their beak decides their food. The shape of the beaks decides their food. I mean, what they can eat with their beaks decide their food. Now we are going to observe the beaks of different birds. Okay, just look at the pic of a parrot. How the shape of this beak of parrot? Parrot has a, what kind of beak they have, you know? Yes, parrot has a curved and a hooked beak. Parrot has, we will write the name of bird and the shape of their beak also. Curved, hooked. How to read? Curved and hooked beak. Parrot has curved and hooked beak. The birds with these kinds of beaks can eat. What they can eat, you know? Did you see what they are eating, what the parrots are eating? Have you observed that? Yes. What are they eating? Yes, they can eat fruits and they can crack open nuts. They can eat. They can eat fruits and nuts. The birds with a curved and hooked beak can eat fruits and nuts. Then you just look at the next picture, all of you. Which bird is that? Yes, it is a duck. Very good. What kind of beak they have? They have what kind of beak? Yes, they have flat and broad. They have flat and broad beak. These beak help them to take out small insects and fish from the water. Okay. Duck has flat and broad beak which help them to take out small insects and fish from the water. Then just look at the next picture, all of you. What is the next bird? Yes, the next bird is, tell me, which is the next bird? It's a white heron. White what kind of beak they have? They have, very good, they have long pointed beak. Long and pointed beak. The birds which has long and pointed beak, what is the use of this beak, you know? This long and pointed beaks help them to hunt fish from the water very easily. They can very easily hunt the fish in the water. Okay, then look at the next picture, all of you. Next is a sparrow. Which is the next bird? Next is a sparrow. Sparrow has small beak. As sparrow is a small bird, it has a small beak also. Cute bird, right? Yes, sparrow has a small cone shaped beak. What is the shape? Cone shaped beak. This cone shaped beak help them to eat the seeds, small seeds. Sparrow has cone shaped beak. This cone shaped beaks help them to eat small seeds. Next, look at the next picture, children. Yes, which is the bird? Swallow. That is a swallow bird. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. It is a swallow bird. Observe the beak of the swallow bird. What kind of beak they have? They have thin pointed beak. They have thin pointed beak which help them to catch insects. This thin and pointed beak help the swallow birds to catch the insects. So what you understood from this? What you understood? Yes, the birds have different kinds of beaks and the shape of the beaks decides their food. Yes, and also what they can eat with their beaks decides their food. Yes, just look once again. Parrot, what kind of beaks they have? Parrot has a curved and hooked beak. It helps them to eat fruits and nuts. Okay. Duck. Duck has a flat and broad beak which help them to eat insects and small fishes in the water. Then white heron has a long and pointed beak which help them to yes, hunt fish from the water easily. Then sparrow has a cone shaped beak. What was the food of sparrow? Small seeds. Then swallow bird has thin and pointed beak which help them to eat insects. Understood everything? Then I want to ask you one more question. Okay. Try to answer. Ready? Why do these birds eat different kinds of food? Why does an eagle have a sharp and pointed beak? You have any idea? Yes? Come on. Yes. The thing is that what they can eat with their beaks decides their food. The shape of the beak is different for all the birds. Yes, the shape decides their food. Good. Then why does an eagle have a sharp and a pointed beak? Yes, to eat other animals as their food. Very good. You understood everything? Okay. I hope you understood everything. And we have to complete our workbook also. I will give you some hints only. Okay. You have to make long sentences using my hints. Okay. Take your workbooks. Open. S2. First one, 3 pictures are there. Grains, curry, then French fries. The question is, the food item the birds can eat. The food item the birds can eat. Which food item the birds can eat? Very easy. Tick. Okay. Then the second question. Try to read the question, students. I will read for you. Rohit has brought this bird home. What food should he give? And why do you think so? So first you have to observe the beak of the bird. Just look at the beak of the bird. What is the shape of the beak? It's very sharp. Yes, very sharp, and the shape is here. It is here. Same like a parrot, curved and hooked beak. So what they can eat? Now you got some hints, right? Try to answer. Okay. Then the third question. What do you think this bird eats? Next. Which bird is next? The bird which has long and pointed beak. What will be their food? You know already. Okay, write it in sentence. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And after completing all the works, you send to me. I will correct. Okay. Stay safe. Thank you.